China's success demands it to be analyzed and to be understood. What are the principles that other countries can apply? And I would give just a few, and I would start with the commitment of the most senior leader of the country. That is not pandering, that is just a fact, because China's system works on a top-down basis, and that could work in other countries too, that it needs to come from the top, not just sort of an adjunct, but something that makes it important for the leader and make it clear that the officials in those countries are going to be judged by how successful they are at poverty alleviation. An organizational structure which is national and has accountability, so that poverty alleviation becomes not something that's sort of nice to talk about, but is something that your career depends upon. Poverty alleviation is a remarkable achievement for China as a whole. Has benefited hundreds of millions of Chinese people, but it also gives great insight into how the whole Chinese system works.